Good morning. I am Mrs.Devi Priya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer, Spaces, Kasinagar College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to discuss about the Python programming language. What is Python? Python is a general purpose programming language that is often applied in scripting roles. Python is programming language as well as scripting language. Python is also called as interpreted language. Difference between the program and the scripting language. The program is executed, but scripting is interpreted. The sequence of instructions written so that a computer can perform certain tasks in program, but in scripting, the language of programming language in which we can write code to control another software application. Yeah, history of Python. Once Guido van Rossum is the creator of the Python programming language released in the early 1990s. Its name comes from the 1970s British comedy television show called Monty Python's Flying Circus. It's an open source from the beginning. Features of Python are easy to learn and use interpreted cross-platform language, free and open source, object-oriented, dynamically typed language, large standard library, and GUI programming support. Overall uses the Python today. So Dropbox, NASA using the Python language, Yahoo, IBM, Facebook is also designed using Python, YouTube, Mozilla, Google, and also now we are all using ChatGPT. That ChatGPT is designed using Python. Applications of Python are web and internet development, GUI, that is graphical user interface, software development, artificial intelligence and machine learning, database access, network programming, games and 3D graphics. How to install Python? Python is well supported and freely available at internet, so we can download by in the website https www.python.org downloads. Our latest version is 3.8.5 and Python IDE. An interpreted development environment is a bundled set of software tools for program development, an editor for creating and modifying programs, a translator for executing programs, a program debugger provides a means of taking control of the execution of a program to aid in finding program errors.